Hello everyone. As a continuation to the last exercise, which was consisting of index formula and how to use two match formulas along with that to be able to look up values in a 2 by 2 grid scenario. So in this case, I have a data which talks about region. The different regions also exhibit quarter-wise profitability. That also tells you a story yearly total, and that continues till the year 2008. Now what I want is, I want two inputs that can be given by the client. Now this is the data validation drop down list which we did in level 1. What I want now, that is, based on these two input values, the answer should pop up. I shouldn't be scouting for these numbers. For example, East quarter 4 2007, I should not be manually looking for that number, in which case I might take a lot of time. So for example, Q407, if I start searching for that, okay, here it is, 570. So let me write a formula which pulls up value from this database. Now before I begin, let me quickly recollect the scenario for index match. Index talked about the chessboard, the entire database, and you needed two things. One was row number, one was column number. The first row number can be found out using match, and so is the column number. But wait, the first match which is being substituted for row number must focus on the vertical common link, whatever that is, and the next match should focus on the horizontal common link. How does it relate to our problem? So if I start typing in the index formula, let's see how it works. Index, I press the tab key to auto complete the formula. The next thing being asked is array, so that's the entire chessboard. I place my cursor on the cell which is blinking, that's the starting point. I press shift control down, shift control pressed, right. So at one go I'm able to select the entire database, and as soon as I do that, I must immediately press F4 comma. As a good habit, F4 comma. So entire array is now fixed. Even if I later copy paste this formula at any different cell in column C or D, this array will not move. Now I need two things. One is a match for row number. Now what is that common link which is given vertically? You may say that the common link also region and is also equally the quarters or the period. But hey, which one is that common link which is given vertically? So if you look at East, and that is how it looks vertically. So look up value East. Look up array. Remember junior follows senior, so my selection will be not like this. It will start from where the senior is starting, that's the chessboard, and as soon as I do that, just like any array, I must press F4 to fix that, comma, 0, bracket close. This was just for the first match. The next match shall focus on that common link which is placed horizontally. So look up value quarter, starting from where the senior is beginning, that is junior follows senior, shift control right, focusing on the horizontal part. As soon as I choose this lookup array, F4 comma and 0 for exact match. So this is how I place my index match, and if you notice, if you write any input or you change any input, the answer changes.